now it's showtime. Are you ready?
You're tuned in to Ghetto House Radio.
It's house music. Taking over your mind, taking over your body.
Ghetto House Radio.
2 hours of non-stop dirty, funky, electro, and classic house music.
GHR, house music from the hood.
It's all about the house music, and it always will be.
We are GHR.
Put your hands up for Ghetto House Radio.
Ghetto House Radio.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, especially the ladies. This is a public service announcement for all the single ladies that listen to GHR. Mr. Eddie Santana is single again. Yes, he is single and ready to mingle. Eddie Santana is back on the market, ladies. If you want to date, hit him up on Twitter right now at DJ Eddie Santana. But in the meantime, he's going to play some house music for you. Going to kick off the mix with Afrojack featuring Shermanology, Can't Stop Me, the Rehab remix. Also, more tickets to Cascade and ID Festival coming up.
What up? It's Afrojack, and you're live in the mix with Eddie Santana on Ghetto House Radio.
Eddie Santana.
If this was the last dance of the night, will you join me till the morning light? Dance the night away 'cause it feels right. Can't stop me, no. This can be the last dance of the night. Wanna sing my song till morning light. I can't get enough, made up my mind. Can't stop me, no.
Ghetto House Radio.
This is how we do every week, rocking your airwaves. We are GHR, making America dance. What up? It's Hoser. That's my DJ, Eddie Santana, in the mix. And I know what you want. You want those Cascade and Identity Festival tickets. Tickets are coming up. GHR has the hookups on all the concerts and festivals happening this summer in the US of A. Yeah, baby, we got the hookup. GHR will get you in. But right now, we got to keep this party going. We got to keep you dancing. Let's get back into the mix with Eddie Santana. Gonna drop Nari and Milani versus the Chemical Brothers. This is called Hey Adam.
It's the big man of GHR.
Eddie Santana, live in the mix
On Ghetto House Radio.